Hey guys, so this is the unboxing. Okay, maybe one at a time. For the latest and greatest iPhones from Apple. So we have the iPhone Air right here. And then we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max right here. So first things first is that you can see that the boxes are much thinner than each other. It's also smaller. So let's just pick it up real quick. Let's do this. Boom. Wow. I'm going to unbox the Air first and then the Pro. I scratched the box a little bit. For those who care, you know my feelings right now. I'm not in the studio right now, so pardon the lighting. Hopefully it looks good. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do the iPhone Air. Now, right now, I'm doing everything with one hand, so just bear with me because I'm filming on my phone and my camera is dead for whatever reason, so that's the thing. That's super frustrating, but what are you gonna do? That's just life, right? Let me know what you guys think about the iPhone Air in the comments below. I did check it out a little bit in the store, just a little bit. So my initial impressions are wow, but we're gonna see. Okay, let's pick it up. Let's see what it's like. Whoa, what the hell? This is insane. So this is the blue color. Wow. Okay, let's see what's coming in the box first though. Obviously upside down. Let's see. All right, USB-C cable and nothing else. I think this says Apple's all eSIM now or something like that. So that's cool. All right, super thin box, comes with a cable. Awesome sauce. It's great. Let's put this to the side. Like I said, this is the blue and it looks really, really good. I like it. All right. And this is the best part. I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. This is obviously upside down. So I'm gonna see if I can pull this maybe up from here and go like this. This is the iPhone Air. This is dope. This feels like a nothing burger. Like this feels insane. Like just to rock this naked, like, let's just put it in my pocket real quick and just see. Wow, you just don't feel it. You just don't feel it. You know what I mean? Like this is, wow. Like if you're totally cool with one lens, which is the main lens, and I think most people will be okay with it. I think it feels nice to have the 3 lenses, but if you never use the telephoto or the wide angle, then what's the point of having it if you mostly just use the single camera lens anyway? It just feels like nothing. Like it feels like nothing. This is crazy. What? Wow. It definitely, you know, if Steve Jobs were around, I'd feel like this is where iPhone would have ended up. You know, look at that. That is thin as can be. Wow. And it's super light. Screen looks great. Let's just blast through this real quick. Okay, it's gonna take a few minutes. So while I was doing that, I'm gonna put this to the side over here. I'm gonna start unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh, that's interesting. So it's showing the back of the phone. Wow, you can see like in the light, it looks almost black. Look at that. Wow, much beefier. This is the 17 Pro Max. Looks good. I saw the orange. The orange is crazy. I think it looks really good, but I think I'd get over it. I'd get over it in a few weeks. You know, I think it's a cool novelty. And this is a 17 Pro Max. Let's take off the screen protector here. So supposedly you can use the iPhone 16's screen protector. So if you guys have one laying around like I do, then you can pop that on the new iPhone, which I'm gonna do in just a second. And this is it, the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I mean, look how thin it is, bro. I mean, that's crazy, dude. I mean, this kind of has a wobble to it, which is kind of annoying. Hopefully they make some cases that'll help with that, you know? I think that's why probably Apple put the flash on this side. I haven't checked out the cases for the phone, but they're likely to have a lip like that, so it can just be balanced. But yeah, I mean, even with the case, this thing would be, you know, oh, that's the baby. All right, guys, thank you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What you want me to review. This whole thing was shot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna shoot the next one on the 16 Pro Max, and then I'm gonna shoot on the 17 Pro Max, so you guys can get some comparisons there and really see what it looks like. This is an absolutely gorgeous phone for sure, and I think a lot of people are going to love this. I think it looks great. I think this is blue too, and it looks almost white. So I think if you're kind of not in the mood for white, you just want a little bit of color, this is perfect for something like that. And then of course you have the Max right here, which is obviously way bigger. Nice deep blue here. Looks really good too. I absolutely love this color. And yeah, I'm gonna put it through its paces and see what's going on here with these phones. Again, subscribe, comment, like, do all the things that you should be doing for a small channel like mine. My name is Brian. I can see you guys right here next time on The Ending User. Peace.
Got me upside down.